lipid metabolism. Lipid metabolism. Blur scientists identified lipids on the basis of hydrolysis. Lipids are also called fatty acids. Each fatty acid contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen molecules. By the oxidation of lipids, produced a large quantity of energy. 1 gram of lipid produce 9 kilocalories of energy. At the same way, 1 gram of protein produce 4 kilocalories of energy. 1 gram of carbohydrate produce 3 kilocalories of energy. Means lipids produced more kilocalories of energy. Now we discussed about classification of lipids. Lipid classification. Here it is the lipid classifications. Lipids are classified by Blur scientists. According to this classification, lipids are classified into 3 types. They are simple lipids, compound lipids, derived lipids. Simple lipids, compound lipids, derived lipids. Now first we discussed about the simple lipids. Simple lipids are contains fatty acids, oils and alcoholic glycerols called simple lipids. The simple lipids are again classified into 2 types. Based on the presence of alcoholic or non-alcoholic glycerol substance. They are fats and oils and wax. Fats, oil and wax. First we discussed about the fats and oils. This type of simple lipids are contains fatty acids and alcoholic glycerol compounds. At room temperature, fats are in solid structure or solid condition. They synthesized from the animals. Means that fatty acids are synthesized from the animals. If the fats are in liquid condition at room temperature, called oils. These are synthesized from plants. And the second one of simple lipids, wax. This type of lipids are contains fatty acids and non-alcoholic glycerol compounds. Wax present on the external surface of the plant body. Now comes to the compound lipids. Compound lipids are contains fatty acids, alcohols and phospho groups, glyco groups and protein groups, including nitrogenous bases. Compound lipids are containing fatty acids, alcohols, phospho groups, glyco groups, protein groups and nitrogenous groups. The compound lipids are containing complex structure. The compound lipids are classified into 3 types. They are phospholipids. Second one, glycolipids. Third one, lipoprotein. Lipoprotein. Now first we discussed about the phospholipids. These are compound lipids. These are contains fatty acids, alcohols, phospho group and nitrogenous bases. The phospholipids contains fatty acids, alcohol, phospho group and nitrogenous bases. Based on the presence of alcohol, phospholipids, these are classified into two groups. They are glycerophospholipids and second one is sphingophospholipids. Glycerophospholipids, sphingophospholipids. First we discussed about glycerophospholipids. Glycerophospholipids contains fatty acid, glyceric alcohol, phosphorus group and nitrogenous bases. And sphingolipids contains fatty acids, sphingosine, phospho group, nitrogenous base. Sphingosine alcohol with phospho group and nitrogenous bases. The sphingospholipids containing fatty acids, sphingosine alcohol with phospho group and nitrogenous bases. And next one is the second type of compound lipid is glycolipids. The glycolipids belongs to compound lipids. These are contains fatty acids with sugars. The sugars belongs to carbohydrates and nitrogenous bases. Glyco means sugar. That lipids are containing sugars. The sugars belongs to carbohydrates with nitrogenous bases. And the third compound lipids are lipoprotein. Lipoproteins are belongs to compound lipids. These are containing fatty acids with albuminous or albumin protein. Based on the presence of albumin, they are classified into following types. They are low density lipoprotein, high density lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein, high density lipoprotein. These are containing fatty acids with albumin. In low density lipoprotein, albumin is in less quantity. And in high density lipoprotein, albumin is in large quantity. And the next third type of lipids, derived lipids. The derived lipids are synthesized from simple or compound lipids. Simple and compound lipids. The derived lipids containing fatty acids and glycerols. Derived lipids are synthesized from the simple lipids and compound lipids. These are contains fatty acids and glycerol. Derived lipids are following types, mainly steroids, fatty soluble vitamin lipids, and steroid hormones, and acyl glycerols. Steroids are the belongs to derived lipids. Steroids are belongs to derived lipids. The steroids are contain cyclopentano perhydropenantrine nucleus. Cyclopentano perhydropenantrine Penontrine nucleus. Penontrine nucleus. The plant steroids are called phytosteroids, and bacteria animal steroids are called cholesterol. These are mainly helps in increase of catabolic activities in the plant and animals. And the next one, mono and diacyl glycerols. These are also belongs to derived lipids. These are containing acyl groups with glycerol compounds. And third one is fatty soluble vitamins. Fatty soluble vitamins. Some lipids are mainly helps in vitamin solubility. A, D, E, K vitamins are soluble in fats. After the lipids, soluble lipids helps in enzymatic or metabolic reactions. And last one is steroid hormones. Some hormones are made by fatty acids. These are called steroid hormones. These are helps in increase of metabolic activities in the plants and animals. Now it is the total classification of lipids.